Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, Gokul. Hearty congratulations on your son's excellent, outstanding achievement, I can say. Hearty congratulations. Hearty congratulations. So we are delighted to know more about your achievement. So to begin with, you can introduce yourself and you can take over.
Myself, Gokul Gowda. I study in high school, and I think I am coaching from 10 years. And she's my but nothing but various teacher support my mom. And the mock test I dedicated not in schooling, mental therapies and in my annual exams. So, for implementation.
Okay. What was your experience while preparing for the exam?
At first, it was not good, but when I continued to study one by one from the first, I got to know that at the beginning of studies, I didn't study properly. Then I asked my teachers how to read this and all, and I cleared my doubts, and then my parents and my teachers gave me support. So while that I will prepare.
Why did you choose Bhat and Bhat?
I was a
What's it really different? Who chose? Your mom, your dad, and two?
my dad, my mom, and his friend.
How did you get to know about Bhat and Bhat?
And I searching and Google.
Google search. How did the mock exams help you during your preparation or your work?
And without mock exam, I was not doing it up.
Only for mock exam you would prepare them?
So that helped me, and it made me to revise. So
As and when the mock exam appeared, you started preparing for the mock exam. That is how you prepared mentally for
I
it.
was thinking, what happens if I get low marks? What is in the
What?
what will my parents think about?
So that what led you to success. Personal attention in the class or for the studies from teachers.
Yeah, they give me.
Your doubts clarification.
Yeah, they did it well, and they conducted extra classes also. They did it.
Very supportive.
Before the exam also there is a point me, and they asked me if you have any doubt, you can come here.
So before taking up your final exam, were you confident enough?
I was confident, but not 100%.
Not.
Because every student will have that.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
fear. But how about the confidence? Were you feeling that yes, whatever the preparation that I've done for my exams, whatever the support that I've got from my teachers?
Before the announcement of exam, I was overconfident. After announcement, my confidence became little bit.
What made you to bring up your confidence?
Support from teachers and parents.
So tell me, what was your daily routine, Gokul?
I used to wake up at 5 and I get prepared for tuition, which was at 5:45. Then at 6:45 I will do tuition, and at 7 to 8 I used to prepare for my school, and at 8 van will pick up me, and at 4:30 or 5 I will reach my home. Then I used to take 1 hour sleep. Then I used to study. Then they in school they were giving project works and all, and assignments, and in tuition they were giving worksheets. I was solving that and all, and I used to sleep at 10:30. Before exam, a day before exam, I not used to sleep at all.
So this was your routine, quite hard-working routine. I like most about Bhat and Bhat Tutorial.
ನಮಗೆ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗಿಗಿಂತ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಸಂಜನಾ ಪಿನ್ ಟು ಪಿನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನಾವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಪಿನ್ ಟು ಪಿನ್ CC ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸಂಜನಾ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಸಂಜನಾ ಬೇರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಸಂಜನಾ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆದು ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವನ್ನ ನೀನು ತೆಗಿದ್ಯಾ, ನೀನು 95, 96 ಅಂತ ತೆಗಿತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಸಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸೆಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಪಿನ್ ಟು ಪಿನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನೋ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದೆ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಪಿನ್ ಟು ಪಿನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಭಯ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯ ನಮಗೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈಗಿನ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ.
ನಾವು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
Most about Bhat and Bhat Tutorials.
Friendliness of teacher, fear of Sanjana.
Fear of Sanjana.
Then
See, that fear is only elevated to this success.
Yeah. And then fear of exams, mock tests.
So all these fear, it has helped you to elevate to this success,
Yeah.
isn't it? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for the time, and wish you all the best for your future success and endurance.